If you follow these simple tips when planting tomatoes, you can grow stronger plants with bigger fruits and a much higher yield. Sometimes when we bring tomato seedlings home, they look weak or start wilting. Before planting them in the soil, soak the roots in water for a few minutes. This helps hydrate the plant. You can also add 1 spoon of sugar to the water. This simple trick helps the seedlings recover quickly and prepares them for planting. Another important tip is planting tomatoes deep. Dig a hole about 25 to 30 centimeters deep and place about 2/3 of the plant underground. Tomato stems can grow roots wherever they touch the soil, so deeper planting helps create a stronger root system. Before planting, you can also add organic fertilizer to the hole. But an even better trick is adding 1 spoon of wood ash. Wood ash provides potassium and calcium, which support healthy growth and fruit development. A common problem with tomatoes is rot at the bottom of the fruit before ripening. For watering, avoid wetting the leaves. Instead, bury a plastic bottle with small holes near the roots and pour water into it. This delivers water directly to the roots while keeping the surface soil dry. Follow these simple tricks and your tomato plants will reward you with healthier growth and plenty of delicious tomatoes.